Disclaimer: the concepts in this series are presented as a pure hypothesis. They do not represent established scientific consensus. Please watch and interpret with an open mind. Before the universe, before light, before time, before matter, there was only one thing: absolute entropy. Not chaos, but perfect stillness. No variation, no interaction, no information, a single kind of particle, identical everywhere, frozen in silence. We call this state the unknown, not because it was mystical, but because in perfect sameness, nothing can be compared, nothing can be named, and nothing can be known. Over unimaginable timescales, chaotic energy accumulated, trapped in this frozen uniformity. But energy without variation is powerless. It cannot move, it cannot interact, it cannot evolve. Until one event changed everything. The unknown fractured, and from that fracture, two primordial particles were born. Two opposites behaving like a living binary. One began to lock energy inside its structure, becoming dense, solid, gaining mass. The other carried energy around itself, leaving no solid trace, appearing weightless. But here's the truth: no particle actually has mass. Mass is only the illusion of trapped energy. The more energy confined within, the heavier the particle appears. These two particles had one purpose: to seek higher efficiency by combining into more complex structures. This was the beginning of everything we know. When the energy-locking particle dominates, stable combinations are formed: rocks, metals, planets, stars. But when the free energy carrier dominates, instability emerges. These unstable structures constantly struggle, leaking energy, breaking apart, and sometimes collapsing violently. This is why nuclear reactions are so powerful. In unstable materials, energy is trapped in fragile configurations. Strike them once, and the structure shatters, releasing cascades of energy carriers. Each break triggers another, a chain reaction, radiation, explosions, destruction. These are not the fault of particles. They are simply the logical consequences of forcing unstable systems beyond their natural limits. From these two primordial behaviors, every structure in existence emerged. At first, combinations formed simple clusters, patterns locking and releasing energy, endlessly testing for stability, but complexity kept growing. Atoms formed, molecules assembled, massive structures began holding oceans of trapped energy, while others became delicate frameworks, balancing on the edge of instability. This is the real fight against absolute entropy. From the smallest particle to the largest system, every interaction, every form, every process works to delay the return to stillness. Life is not the only rebel here. Existence itself is resistance. But there's still one mystery left unsolved. Some particle pairs seem to share information instantly, no matter the distance, faster than light, beyond space itself. What is this connection? How deep does it go? And if we could harness it, could we break the speed of light itself? Welcome to QuantumVerse, where science meets the unknown.